Oh, hey guys, help me transform this hair. Woo, so these braids. Typically, they're a lot cuter. I'm gonna use this pattern oil to unbraid the braids. I have an impromptu meeting to go to and a few errands to run, so I can't be out in these streets with these braids looking like this. So we got to spruce things up. So let me give you a quick little backstory. I am really trying hard to stay strong and not apply heat to my hair too often or do hairstyles that are just strenuous on the hair. I really want to dedicate myself to loving my curls and just having them be more manageable. There's nothing like a wash day that's quick and easy versus a wash day that's full of drama because you're trying to comb out this hair that's thick at the roots. Woo, child. I know too much about it and I ain't trying to go back. So after I take these braids out, I'm gonna fluff this sucker up until I can't fluff it no more. It's looking good, I think. What do you guys think? Keep fluffing, girl. Keep fluffing. You got this. I'm gonna be real honest with you guys. I'm probably gonna still throw on a hat, but you just want the hair to look good under. I went to go get my eyelashes done the other day, and I had a hat on with a dusty wig on, and that wig was just thrown on top of my head. And I had to take my hat off. I was like, oh God, Lord, help me, Jesus. I'm gonna put a little bit of edge control on these edges just to slick her down. So just in case my hat has to come off, sis ain't looking crazy by the head. And this is the final look. Like, I think I'm feeling it. What do you guys think? I think it's kind of cute. Tell me what you think. Comment down below. Quick and easy hairstyle. Your girl's ready to go. There's that hat. See you.